And it may sound funny given the dour housing news, but mortgages will be the driving force when Wells Fargo reports earnings. Home loans are becoming a bigger part of the bank's business, as markets editor Andy Cinco explains. Andy.
Peter, Wells Fargo is picking up the pieces of that broken mortgage industry and doing it quite profitably. The disappearance, as you know, Peter, of mortgage brokers and other banks has left Wells Fargo sitting pretty. It's now #1 in the industry at a time when mortgage applications are surging compared to last year. Peter, I went into the Bloomberg terminal, and based on the Mortgage Bankers Association's data, people putting in applications to either buy a house or refinance a mortgage, those applications were up 40% compared to the second quarter a year ago, Peter. So analysts we have been speaking to say that they are reluctant to give a Wells Fargo forecast for revenue from mortgages, but boy, they are looking for a blockbuster quarter here, Peter. John McDonald at Sanford C. Bernstein was using those words looking at the second quarter and commenting after a record first quarter for Wells Fargo. Now, over at KBW, Fred Cannon is predicting Wells Fargo will widen its lead in mortgages in the second quarter. He is predicting the bank picked up market share and rose to 24% of all mortgages underwritten here in the U.S. But I should note a mode of caution from Mr. Cannon because he's worried about Wells Fargo's thin capital levels and the fact that Wells has not yet paid back its TARP money. Scarlett, back on up to you.
Thanks so much, Andy. And we